Krishna!
Yes, Baba.
Oh, where have you been?
Going for playing.
You went for a ride?
Yes,
Okay.
with cycle.
Okay, shut the door. Good boy. Come here. I have something to show you.
What?
We got a new packet.
Where?
Oh,
Wow!
you got something. We got new cars.
Oh, Kinkura.
So the King Kuda?
See here.
Nice. What else you got?
Oh, 91 Mazda MX-5. Wow, big name.
Okay.
What is this? This car is look so nice.
Show me the car. What's the name?
16 Bugatti. 16 Bugatti.
Okay, show it here.
16 Bugatti.
Oh wow. Wow, the blue color again, huh? Looks good. What else you got?
What? Again Group 424? But it has white color.
Oh, it is white color?
And also this can.
Yeah. Grupo is back. Grupo in white. Nice. What else you got?
Oh, again car but in same color and same tires. Name also car.
Should we return that?
No, why?
You'll keep it?
Yes.
Okay.
Next
So,
is
this is exotic. This is exotic.
okay.
Nice. Okay. What else?
Wow.
You got some collector's edition.
Oh. Yes, I don't open it.
You don't want to open it?
No.
You want to keep it?
Yes.
These are collections for us.
See, it has 50 days.
50 years, not 50 days. Larry Wood. 50 years.
And
20.
Bonsicle.
Yeah.
Gold color.
This is the Roger Dodger in white. You have one Roger Dodger in with
See
the
here.
monster track.
Yes.
And this is the Roger Dodger
red car.
50th edition. 50th years edition.
And Bonsicle. I have a Bonsicle but his name. Okay, no Bonsicle.
Yeah, you have a bone shaker here. You have three bone shakers now, right?
Yes, I have also broken leg.
Do you want to show that?
Yes.
Oh wow, this. Okay, we'll show that later, right?
Yes. We guys will unbox the cars and we create the track also.
To test the cars, right?
Yes.
Let's
you are
see.
right.
I am right. You
Let's
can.
see who's into this track.
Let's see who's the best in the track.
Yes.
Okay, let's see.
Also
Do you want to show the track to everyone?
Yes.
Let's go and show.
See here the Spider-Man is looking at the track.
Okay, he's the manager.
Yes.
Hello, Mr. Manager.
Hello.
Okay, from here.
From here it climbs a loop kicker also.
Okay, it climbs a loop kicker. Oh, that's interesting.
See, here it is connect.
Looks very nice. Then
And here,
he's giving a thumbs up.
yes.
Okay.
Let's see about our
Oh,
monster
and
truck.
finally, Mr. Batman is here.
I saw a bear. I saw a bear.
Batman is greeting
I saw a
us.
bear. I saw a bear.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
He's sitting on a crane. Oh, Mr. Bear. Hello.
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 Hello. Hello.
Our monster truck. Our monster
All right.
truck.
Okay, let's start now.
Alright, I'm picking my car now. What I should pick?
You should pick exotic. Bugatti. So the Bugatti here.
This
Oh.
car is amazing.
This car is amazing. Go ahead. All right, Mr. Spider-Man, are you ready? Oh, he's giving a thumbs up. Go.
My next car is Group 424.
Okay. bring it closer.
White color Grupo. I have a similar Grupo. Okay.
You have a similar Grupo?
No, yes, I have.
You found it?
See, it's similar, but it has color not same.
Purple and white, but they both are same, right?
Yes.
Great. Okay, let's try the white one then. Ariman, are you ready for the first one? The second one, right? The Grupo. Okay, go ahead.
Rain.
Come on, Grupo, you can do it. Come on. Oh.
Again, the same thing that happened there.
Yeah, it happened there, I know. Chalo, next one.
Okay, and again,
Final launch. Come on, boy, you have to do it. We are not giving more chances. Come on. You can do it. Oh. Fantastic stuff. He made it. Yay. Batman says yay.
The next card is the
Exotic.
exotic.
Well, this looks a yummy card, like beautiful card. The exotic. Go.
Wow.
It's lots of noise, right? Oi! What happened?
What happened?
Why you stopped? Alright, go.
Okay, next card.
That's a lovely name you forgot. King Kuda. Okay, go. Wow. Oh, Mr. King Kuda, you'll get another chance. You did well.
Another chance to him
Okay,
because he fell down, but he did well.
he did well.
Yes.
Okay, so Ariman, you can go.
Wow! Now!
Yay!
The next card is the again the same
Carbide.
carbide. Again the same card. Okay, 3, 2, 1 for him. If you like our video, please subscribe and like also. And thank you and bye bye. Hot Wheels Day.